is going on? This is AlTone, and this is the HARNDS Falcon pocket knife, my everyday carry. So yes, this is the HARNDS folding pocket knife. It's absolutely fantastic pocket knife. I have had it for quite some time and I've really enjoyed using it. This is the one that I keep in my pocket every single day. I absolutely love their products. The HARNDS Falcon pocket knife has a blade length of about 3.5 inches and an overall length of about 8.2 inches. And the weight is about 4.3 ounces. I mean, it's not necessarily light. It's got a nice heavy feel to it and it feels great in the hands. The thing that I truly love about this pocket knife the most is the way it's well made and put together. Easy opening, one finger, and you can easily close it with a single hand. Not only that, but the blade itself comes nice and sharp. It's not dangerously sharp, but it is very sharp. And for doing stuff like opening boxes on a regular basis, having to cut strings and ties and things of that nature, even rope, this works very well. And like I said, I keep this in my pocket. It's got a nice little clip here that I actually put on the outside of my pocket just so I can easily pull it out of a pocket with one hand. Even with work gloves on, I have no problems. The HARNDS Falcon pocket knife can be opened with a work glove and closed with a work glove on very easily, and that's one of the things I absolutely love about this. We do a lot of recycling and all of that, have to break down tons of boxes on a regular basis. This has withstood all of that. I've dropped it quite a few times with no problems, and you can't even tell that it's been dropped looking at it. It's a very, very well made and quality knife. My understanding is that you can possibly take it apart, lube some parts and everything, but I haven't had to do that at all. I've truly enjoyed using this pocket knife. I do love HARNDS products so much that I have a total of 4, and I've been enjoying each one of these, and I'll probably do a video on all of them because I have been using them for different purposes or keeping them in different areas around my home. So if I need one quickly, it's right there and I can grab it and use it at any given moment. So if you would like to try one out or just take a look and see what you think, make sure you check the link down in the description below. That is an affiliate link. Absolutely helps this channel out. Not only that, but make sure that you do check down below because I do have other links that may be of interest to you in the description. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate you. Have a fantastic day, and I look forward to talking to you again in a future video.